What the heck is going on, you guys? This is Big Z from Learn Bengali, and Happy New Year to everyone out there, especially my subscribers and the people who view my videos on a regular basis. But this is not Bengali New Year, this is a New Year according to Gregorian calendar. So, what is Bengali New Year? How do we say Happy New Year in Bengali? And when is the Bengali New Year? That's the most important question. I'm gonna go over that right now with you. So, let's get started without further ado. Alright, so Bengali New Year is called Pahela Boishak, okay? Pahela Boishak, which is the first day of Boishak, and Boishak is the first month in Bengali calendar, as you can see over here. I made another video about the Bengali months, so you can definitely go back and review that. If you want to learn more about Bengali months, you know, yeah, definitely I made a video about that. So go ahead and view that. That was a couple months ago. But Pahela Boishak is that's how it's written in Bangla. Pahela Boishak, that's the English version, is usually on the April 14th of the Gregorian calendar. Okay, it's usually on April 14th. Sometimes on the 16th, sometimes on the 15th, but it's very rare. Most of the time, it's on April 14th. In 2019, it's going to be on April 14th as well. So, and how do we say Happy New Year in Bengali, right? So here we are, Happy New Year, Happy New Year. Okay, it's called Shubho Noboborsho. Okay, Shubho Noboborsho, and I've written that down in Bengali here. Shubho. It's not Shubho. Okay, it's Shubho. Shubho is the bha here. See the bha working out, and that's the version. That's the bha in English. It's not the actual V, but that's the closest we can get in English, right? So it's Shubho Noboborsho. So this is Noboborsho. It's not Noboborsho. It's Noboborsho. Shubho Noboborsho. Okay, and that's that part over here. So Happy New Year is a Shubho Noboborsho in Bengali. Okay, and when is this? It's on the first day of Boishak, which is usually located on April 14th of each year in the Gregorian calendar. Okay, so I hope that makes sense. Oh, once again, let me go over this. Pahela Boishak is usually on April 14th of Gregorian calendar, and it's a Happy New Year is Shubho Noboborsho in Bengali. Okay, so I hope that this makes sense. Any question, comment, let me know. Otherwise, thank you very much for watching my videos. Do not forget to subscribe. Big Z out.